Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're in the garage again, as you can see, but today got my jacket on because we're going to take the bike out. Right now in southern Ontario, it is about 10 degrees right now. Hopefully the roads aren't too wet, but so I'm going to take the bike out. I'm going to test out the DynoJet mount that I had installed the other day. And I'm going to leave the fairing off just to see how well it holds up in the wind. So there's no wind protection for it. So it might be a little bit more cold for me, but I got some wind protection. But anyways, it's February 16th, and I'm going out on a motorcycle in southern Ontario. So let's get at it. Okay, so I'm not going to talk too much today. Just going to enjoy the ride, and we're going to check out how this mount does. I did find one. I had to move it up a little bit just because the gauge is in the way, which isn't a big deal. I just moved it. That's all it was. Some ice along there. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy the ride. So probably enjoy it better for you guys too. I'm not sure you can tell, but it's pretty windy out today, so it's a good time to test this because not only was I going at a high rate of speed, but also the wind on it was blowing it everywhere. It didn't move, so it actually worked out pretty well. Figured I'd come to one of my favorite places for coffee, but unfortunately it's closed today, which I didn't know on a Wednesday. Oh well. But yeah, anyways, so I'm happy with this purchase so far. I would highly recommend. I'll leave the description down below again. Thanks for watching.